everybody.
Just one quick thing. He forgot to mention, if you take any photos or anything like that, do the at Good News Comedy. That's our handle. But please do take a second right now. Put anything that makes noise, like cell phones or pagers. Put them on silent. We don't want any noise during the show.
Corey, hey, it's me, Jeremy, from the cast.
Yeah, Jeremy, you know who you are, of course. Yeah.
Look, so we were all talking backstage, and we were thinking, if you're going to ask the audience to turn off anything that makes noise, maybe you shouldn't make any noise either.
Okay, but I'm hosting the show. I have to
Yeah,
make
but do
noise.
you have to host the show? I mean, we were thinking we might be able to just handle this one on our own.
Yeah, it's nothing personal, Corey. It's just that this is a Sketchfest show, and we want it to be really good.
Yeah, it's just because, like, we all love you, but audiences find you pretty off-putting, you know? Like, because they're not sure if you're, like, a big, weird child or, like, a normal size, like, weird dude. And it's not personal. It's not personal.
Seems specifically personal.
No, not personal. It's just that your jokes are bad, and you smell like expired tuna.
Okay, I might smell like expired tuna, but my jokes aren't bad.
Yeah, Corey, I'm gonna have to stop you right there, buddy. Because the fact is, what you think is a good joke is a sketch you called Corey Eats Spaghetti? What does that even mean?
That's a perfect sketch, Bobby. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, it was literally you sitting at the table on the stage alone eating spaghetti.
Okay, but there were sound cues, Monika.
Well,
It's not a sketch, man. It's barely even an idea.
Okay.
Look, Corey, there's a lot riding on tonight's show, so.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard about this, but this is not only our Sketchfest show, but it is also the 7-year anniversary of Good News Toronto.
Of course I know it. This is my show. I cast all of you in it. And I'm still going to host because, guess what? I know about the skeletons in all your closets.
Hey! I told you that skeleton was for scientific reasons!
Then why was it wearing a wig, Maddox?
Okay, Corey, we'll let you host tonight and tonight only, but you better watch out because we're coming for you.
Yeah, buddy, you slip up once and your ass is grass.
Yeah, and I eat grass for breakfast.
Okay, just a quick question on that one. Does that mean you eat ass for breakfast?
I'm a millennial. We all eat ass.
Yeah. So you know what, Corey? Do your little show, but just know, we all eat ass.
Yeah! Okay, look, you guys can all eat ass, but I can't eat spaghetti. That sounds like a double standard to me.
hey! You just use your pretty little mouth to host the show, and we're going to use our pretty little mouths to eat whatever we want.
And it's gonna be ass.
Yeah!
We eat ass! We eat ass! We eat ass! We eat ass!
Anya, let's start the show for real.